Today I'm going to show you how to make a beetle print. I've got all these different kinds of beetles here. As long as you get the general shapes of a beetle, it doesn't really matter which one you're looking at. You can kind of invent your own legs or details if you'd like to, it doesn't really matter. First you're going to fold the paper. And then you need your pencil to start drawing the different body parts of the beetle. I'm going to start with the biggest shape here. It's like you got to pretend you're cutting this beetle in half. So I'm just going to draw half of this shape. It's kind of like a C shape right on the fold. Now I'm going to draw the next C shape for this part, and then more of that for the head. And now I'm going to work on some legs. So there's 3 legs on the side. And it looks like it starts with a square. And maybe a straight line and a zigzag line. Then I see maybe a rectangle and the 2 little toes or claws. So it's another square to start. This one looks like a triangle. And then a straight line and a zigzag and the claws. And continue. You can add details in the middle, similar to this one here. Again, it doesn't really matter. As long as you have the 3 legs on one side, maybe the different body sections, and you're good to go. Now you're going to get black acrylic paint mixed with a little bit of water. And this is pretty tricky. You're going to just paint a little tiny bit and then fold and smush. I call this the fold and smush technique. It's just another way of printing. Now that wound up printing a big blob. It's no big deal. That's part of a print. And this one didn't have enough paint. Again, no big deal. I'm going to try to adjust for my next mark. Put a little bit of paint and press and smush, or fold and smush. And continue until your whole beetle is done. You can't wait too long though, otherwise it dries up and then it won't print. But sometimes you might have too much water, and that makes it hard to print too. You just have to learn after every brush stroke you do and adjust. Oh, that turned into a big blob. No big deal, it's gonna look awesome when it's done. Just keep going. A little bit, fold and smush. It's turning into a beetle. Pretty cool. And that's it. I hope you have fun making a beetle print.